Welcome to Breezy. Let's talk about creating and sending message templates. With message templates, you can customize and save the email and text messages you send a lot. Templates can help you save time, ensure accuracy, and give your candidates a smooth and consistent experience. You'll need admin permission to create and edit templates, or a custom company role that includes the permission. To get started, click the gear icon in the left sidebar. Hover over Recruiting Preferences and click Templates. Depending on your plan, you'll have the option to create templates for messages, offers, and e-signature documents. We'll be looking at message templates for both emails and text messages, or SMS. Plus, we'll see how to customize the message that's used when you send a questionnaire. To create a message template, click the button to Add Email Template or Add SMS Template. Add a name for your template, and for email templates, customize the subject line if you need to. The default subject line is set back on the main templates page. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Next, enter the body of your email. You can personalize the message with template variables, which are placeholders for candidate or position-specific details. Depending on your plan, you may also have the option to include system-wide scheduling links or custom fields. To insert any of these fields, just click where you'd like it to appear, then click the drop-down and select the variable or field from the list. Remember to include spacing or punctuation outside the brackets that appear in the message, so the live information is displayed correctly when you send it. When you're finished writing the body of your message, you can add an attachment or choose a folder to save the template in if you'd like. When you're done, click Save Template and the template is ready to use. Back on the main templates list, you can edit existing templates, copy templates to make new versions, and customize the default email subject line we looked at a minute ago. Bonus tip. If your team uses a lot of templates, you can keep them organized in folders. Just click the Add Folder button on the Templates list to create a folder. Then, when you create or edit a template, you'll have the option to move it to your folder. Anyone who can communicate directly with candidates and edit stage actions can create messages using templates. That's generally hiring managers and admins, or users with a custom role that includes candidate conversations. To send a one-time message using a template, start by opening the candidate's profile. Click the Email SMS tab and choose Compose Email or SMS. Then, click the Insert menu, choose Templates, and find the one you're looking for. When you click on the name of the template, the content will be added to your message, complete with the live info for any variables or fields you included in the template. You can edit the subject and body of the message, plus add attachments, scheduling links, or questionnaires. When you're finished, click Send to send your message immediately, or click the clock icon to schedule a day to send your message in the future. To streamline communications even more, you can use templates with stage actions to automate messaging. Just choose the Send Email SMS option when setting the stage action. Choose the right template from the list and customize the sending options. Along with email and SMS templates, you can customize the message that's sent when you ask a candidate to complete a questionnaire. This is done right from the questionnaire settings. You'll need admin permission to create or edit questionnaires, or a custom company role that includes the permission. Start by clicking the gear icon in the left sidebar. Hover over Recruiting Preferences and click Questionnaires. Find the right questionnaire on the list and click the Edit icon to the right of its name. Find the Email Template section and click Show Template. You can edit the text of the message and customize it with variables the same way you would with other message templates. Click Save Changes when you're done, and the updated message will be used whenever the questionnaire is sent to a candidate, whether manually or with a stage action. Learn more at help.breezy.hr.